So you want to open a gym? Awesome. But before you start picking out dumbbells and debating the perfect protein shake bar, there's one thing you absolutely need: a gym business plan. Without a gym business plan, your gym could become another statistic. What's the gym failure rate? Nearly 50% of gyms don't make it past their first 5 years. That's why today, we're breaking down how to create a business plan for a gym that sets you up for long-term success. And don't worry, you don't have to start from scratch. Exercise.com has a free gym business plan template to help you get started. Will having a gym business plan guarantee a successful gym business? No, that's up to you. There's a lot that goes into opening a gym, and a good gym business plan is only part of the equation. Taking action and overcoming obstacles is the key to being a successful gym entrepreneur, but slowing down and mapping out where you want to go with a gym business plan can help you get there, and makes it easier to get a gym loan, gym insurance, assigned gym lease, and more. Let's get into it.
Number 1. Start with a strong gym. Executive summary. Your executive summary is like the movie trailer for your gym. It needs to grab attention fast.
It should cover your gym's mission, vision, and why it's different from the competition. Investors and lenders won't read your whole fitness business plan if the summary doesn't hook them. With Exercise.com's gym business plan sample, you can easily structure this section and make a strong first impression. If you can't explain your gym's purpose in one page, you're already off track. Number 2, define your gym business description. What makes your gym unique? Are you opening a health club, CrossFit box, boutique studio, or martial arts gym? Clearly outlining your gym business description helps investors and partners understand your concept. For example, a business plan for a CrossFit gym looks different from a martial arts business plan. The equipment, space, and revenue models are completely different. With Exercise.com, you can manage any type of gym, whether it's strength training, group fitness, or online fitness coaching. A clear business plan for a fitness center sets the foundation for everything else. Number 3, conduct a market analysis for your gym business plan. Who are your ideal members? Where do they live? What do they want in a gym? Your market analysis for a gym business plan should break down demographics, local competition, and pricing trends. For example, if you're in a city with 5 budget gyms, another budget gym won't stand out. Use this data to refine your gym's services and gym pricing structure. Exercise.com helps you put your fitness club business plan into action with built-in reporting tools to track gym member trends and gym revenue potential. Number 4, outline your gym's services and revenue streams. A profitable fitness center business plan goes beyond just membership fees. Will you offer personal training, group classes, online coaching, or fitness product sales? With Exercise.com, you can manage all these revenue streams, from class bookings to selling digital workout programs. Gyms that diversify income streams are far more likely to succeed. If you only rely on memberships, your gym's revenue could be as unstable as a Bosu ball workout. Number 5, develop a strong gym marketing plan. Your gym won't sell itself. Fitness business planning must include a strong marketing strategy. Social media, referral programs, and partnerships are key to attracting and retaining members. If you're struggling with how to start a gym business plan, Exercise.com's software include marketing automation to help you reach more people. A great fitness club business plan includes strategies for member retention, because keeping members is just as important as signing them up. Number 6, gym business plan. Financials. Break down the numbers. Let's talk money. Gym business plan financials are where many gym owners fail. You need to calculate your gym startup costs, projected revenue, and calculate your gym break-even point. Start by listing expenses: equipment, rent, payroll, software, insurance, and marketing. How much will you charge for memberships? How many members do you need to be profitable? With Exercise.com's gym financial plan tools, you can track revenue, expenses, and predict future growth. If your gym business plan example doesn't include gym financial projections, investors will run the other way. Number 7, legal and operational plan. Every business plan for a fitness center needs a section covering legal requirements. What's your business structure? Are you an LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation? Or maybe something else? Will you need special licenses, permits, or certifications? Exercise.com's built-in document management can help you keep keep track of contracts, waivers, and liability agreements. Skipping this step could cost you big time later.
Number 8. Gym business plan examples. What success looks like. A great business plan for a gym should reference successful gym business models.
Check out competitors' pricing, service offerings, and gym membership structures. Exercise.com has gym business plan examples to help you see what works and adapt it to your vision. The best gym startup business plan isn't just theory, it's built on real-world success. Number 9. Set up a growth strategy for your gym. Your gym startup business plan should answer this question. Where will your gym be in 5 years? Will you expand? Open a second location? Offer online training? With Exercise.com's gym management software, you can scale from a small studio to a full-fledged fitness empire. If you don't plan for growth, your gym will stay stuck in first gear. A gym without a solid fitness gym business plan is like a workout without a warm-up. Risky and likely to fail. Whether you're creating a business plan for a health club, boutique gym, or martial arts studio, planning is everything. The good news? Exercise.com has a free gym business plan template to help you get started. And once your gym is up and running, Exercise.com's all-in-one software will help you manage memberships, schedule classes, process payments, and track revenue. If you're serious about opening a gym business plan, start with a strong foundation and let Exercise.com handle the heavy lifting. Visit the link in the description to get a free gym business plan template.
Then go to Exercise.com to book a demo now.